Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Welcome to episode 1 of our new autumn lawn care series. In this series we'll be looking at different lawn care activities to help your lawn through the cooler months. Let's start off with an overview of some key areas we recommend you take a look at. Most grasses here in Australia are warm season turf varieties. These include buffalo, kikuyu, cooch and zoysia. When the temperature drops, their growth will slow and they will go into a period of dormancy. There's a few things you can do to prepare your lawn before this happens. You know when autumn is in full swing, when the temperature drops and trees begin to lose their leaves. When this happens, it is best to blow and/or rake these leaves, as they can stop your lawn from receiving the sunlight that it needs. As we head into the cooler months, it's best to remove as much shade from your lawn as possible so it receives better sunlight. If there are gazebos, shade cloths or outdoor furniture out on the lawn restricting sunlight, then now is the time to bring them in while they are not being used. Keep in mind that many trees and shrubs prefer to be pruned in late winter or early spring to prevent damage from the cold. As the temperatures start to cool down, warm season turf varieties will slow down in growth. However, this is not the case for many weeds, so it is important to try and get on top of them now and continue to be proactive over the coming months. When removing weeds, it is best to either remove by hand or apply an appropriate post-emergent herbicide for the weed you are wanting to treat. Autumn is a great time to prevent the spread of seasonal weeds with the application of a pre-emergent herbicide like oxifert. A pre-emergent such as oxifert will prevent weeds such as crabgrass, wintergrass, oxalis and crowsfoot. Wintergrass in particular is a weed to be wary of during the cooler months, and the combination of both pre and post-emergent treatments will provide great results. The best time to apply a pre-emergent herbicide is just before the soil temperature drops below 14 degrees. This usually happens in mid-autumn, but application can be required earlier in some colder regions. Whilst the growth in your lawn is starting to slow down, it's important not to forget about mowing completely. As the temperatures drop, raise the height on your mower up 1 or 2 notches. This will give it a nice, healthy, consistent cut, will help the lawn to thicken up and block out weeds, and will help to absorb the reduced amount of sunlight that's available. Over summer, we spend a lot more time out enjoying our lawns. This can often leave our soil bases compacted. A compacted soil reduces the amount of water your lawn receives and prevents the roots of your grass growing deeper into the soil profile. To help treat this compaction, we recommend using a garden fork or similar aerating device that can create space within the ground for the nutrients, water and oxygen to penetrate. Giving your lawn a fertilise in autumn will help prepare it by providing essential nutrients that are so important over the cooler months. It will help promote strong roots, extend colour further into the winter and will help your lawn recover from any summer stress. When choosing a fertiliser, we recommend using a slow release granular product such as our Lawn Solutions Premium Fertiliser. A slow release fertiliser will give an initial boost and will slowly release nutrients for up to 12 weeks after the initial application. As we've had a rainy summer, it's important to only water your lawn when it needs it. Watering in autumn will be rare, if at all, for most warm season turfgrass varieties. If your lawn does need a water, it's best to do so in the early morning. By giving your lawn some love now, it will look healthier heading into the cooler months and even better again when it flourishes in spring. In episode 2 of our autumn lawn care series, we'll take a closer look at the nutrient requirements of your lawn during autumn and how to address these needs in more detail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to catch you next time.